Calpe, nestled along the stunning Costa Blanca in Spain, is a charming coastal town, renowned for its spectacular natural beauty, historic sites, and vibrant local culture. This guide will take you through 12 must-see attractions and tourist spots in Calpe, each offering its own unique appeal and enriching experience. Whether you're drawn by the allure of majestic landscapes, sandy beaches, or historical landmarks, Calpe provides a wealth of captivating destinations to explore. Number 1. Peñón de Ifach. Dominating the skyline of Calpe is the iconic Peñón de Ifach, a towering limestone rock that rises 332 meters above the Mediterranean Sea. This natural landmark is a paradise for hikers and climbers, offering breathtaking panoramic views from its summit. The rock is part of the Peñón de Ifach Natural Park, which features a variety of trails through diverse landscapes, including rocky paths and lush vegetation. As you ascend, you'll be rewarded with spectacular vistas of the coastline and the town below. The Peñón de Ifach is not only a symbol of Calpe, but also a remarkable natural wonder that showcases the beauty of Spain's Costa Blanca. Number 2. Arenal-Bol Beach. For a quintessential beach experience, head to Arenal-Bol Beach, one of the most popular and picturesque beaches in Calpe. This wide expanse of golden sand is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. The beach is well equipped with facilities such as sunbeds, umbrellas, and a variety of beachfront restaurants and cafes. Its clear waters and gentle waves make it ideal for families and casual beachgoers. Additionally, the beach is lined with a charming promenade where visitors can enjoy leisurely walks and take in the stunning views of the Mediterranean. Number 3. Calpe Old Town. Discover the rich history and cultural heritage of Calpe by wandering through the Calpe Old Town. This historic district is characterized by narrow, winding streets and traditional whitewashed buildings. Key sites include the charming Plaza Maya, where you can admire the architectural beauty of historic structures and enjoy local cafes and shops. The Old Town also features the Church of Our Lady of the Solace, a quaint church with a picturesque setting that adds to the area's historical charm. Exploring the Old Town provides a glimpse into Calpe's past and offers a serene contrast to the bustling modern coastal areas. 4. Calpe Salt Flats. The Calpe Salt Flats, or Salinas de Calpe, are a fascinating natural attraction known for their striking pink and white salt pans. These salt flats have been used for salt production since Roman times and are now an important ecological site. The area is home to various bird species, including flamingos, which can be spotted feeding in the salt flats. The salt pans also offer walking trails and observation points, where visitors can enjoy the unique landscape and learn about the history and significance of salt production in the region. 5. Levant Beach. Another beautiful beach in Calpe is Levant Beach, located on the eastern side of the town. This beach is known for its tranquility and less crowded atmosphere compared to Arenal-Bol Beach. With its fine sand and clear waters, Levant Beach is ideal for relaxation and enjoying a more peaceful seaside experience. The beach is surrounded by a pleasant promenade with several bars and restaurants, making it a great spot for a leisurely afternoon by the sea. 6. Torreón de la Peca. History enthusiasts will appreciate a visit to the Torreón de la Peca, a 16th-century defensive tower located in Calpe. This historic tower was built to protect the town from pirate attacks and has been partially restored to preserve its historical significance. The Torreón de la Peca offers a glimpse into Calpe's past and provides interesting insights into the region's defensive architecture. The tower's elevated position also offers scenic views of the surrounding area, adding to its appeal as a historical landmark. 7. Mirador Monto. For panoramic views of Calpe and the surrounding coastline, head to the Mirador Monto. This viewpoint offers stunning vistas of the Mediterranean Sea, the Peñón de Ifach, and the town of Calpe itself. The Mirador is accessible by a short hike, making it a great spot for those who enjoy outdoor activities and breathtaking landscapes. The viewpoint is particularly beautiful at sunset, when the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink, creating a magical atmosphere for visitors. 8. The Botanical Garden of Calpe. The Botanical Garden of Calpe is a delightful oasis featuring a diverse collection of plant species from around the world. The garden is beautifully landscaped, with well-maintained paths that guide visitors through different sections, including Mediterranean plants, succulents, and tropical species. The garden also includes serene ponds and shaded areas, providing a peaceful environment for relaxation and contemplation. A visit to the Botanical Garden offers a refreshing escape from the bustling town and a chance to appreciate the beauty of nature. 9. Plaza de Laa. The Plaza de Laa is a charming square located in the heart of Calpe's Old Town. This lively plaza is surrounded by historic buildings, cafes, and shops, making it a popular gathering spot for both locals and visitors. The plaza often hosts cultural events and markets, adding to its vibrant atmosphere. The surrounding architecture and the relaxed ambience of the Plaza de Laa make it a pleasant place to enjoy a coffee, take in the local culture, and soak up the town's unique character. 10. La Muralia Roa. La Muralia Roa is an architectural marvel located just outside Calpe. Designed by the renowned Spanish architect Ricardo Bofill, this striking building complex features bold geometric shapes and vibrant colors. The structure is inspired by traditional Mediterranean architecture, but incorporates modern design elements, creating a visually captivating contrast. Visitors can explore the exterior of La Muralia Roa and admire its innovative design, which stands out as a unique example of contemporary architecture in the region. 11. Day trip to Altea. While not directly in Calpe, a short drive to the nearby town of Altea is well worth the visit. Altea is known for its charming old town, beautiful beaches, and artistic vibe. The town's narrow streets are lined with whitewashed houses adorned with colorful flowers, and the main square, Plaza de la Iglesia, is home to the iconic blue-domed church. Altea also offers a range of galleries, artisan shops, and delightful cafes, making it a lovely destination for a day trip from Calpe. 12. Calpe's Fishing Port. The Calpe Fishing Port is a lively area where visitors can experience the town's maritime heritage. The port is home to a variety of fishing boats and seafood restaurants, offering fresh catches of the day and a glimpse into the local fishing industry. Strolling through the port, you can enjoy the bustling atmosphere, watch the fishermen at work, and sample some of the region's renowned seafood. The port's vibrant environment and culinary delights provide a taste of Calpe's coastal culture. Calpe's blend of natural beauty, historical landmarks, and vibrant culture makes it a captivating destination for travelers. From the dramatic landscapes of the Peñón de Ifach to the serene beaches and charming old town, Calpe offers a diverse range of experiences that showcase the best of Spain's Costa Blanca. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, relaxing by the sea, or enjoying local cuisine, Calpe provides a memorable and enriching travel experience.